Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make 25 cents every 10 seconds because that's how fast these little surveys questions are on this one app that you need to download on your phone and make money really fast because it's going to pay you like immediately into your PayPal account. So let's get started right now. Okay guys, so here I am. This is called 1Q. Okay, this app is just called 1Q. It's very short, and it's 1q.com to get to the site if you want to come to the site. But you really don't need to come to the site because you just need to go to your Google Store or Google Play Store or your Apple store to find this app for your phone. 1Q is a company that businesses kind of go to get access to people like you so that they can get your opinion on either like latest trends or what you do in the morning, your routines, what you like to do and stuff like that. And these are literally questions that you're going to be answered about your daily life, and it's like super easy. And from the research that I've done, I don't think anybody has been denied because they don't qualify. So that's another aspect of this app that a lot of people like. So when you do surveys on different sites and different apps, one of the big problem is that you would start doing a survey and all of a sudden you just get kicked out and then you have no idea what happened, and then you lost all that time that you were working on that survey. So but this is not going to be like that. So this app will work way faster and way better for you because they are going to be giving you very simple questions, and you're going to get multiple choice. So all you're doing is reading one question. That's why it's called 1Q. This is called 1Q because you only get one question at a time, and it's very simple. And all you got to do is just read one question, and then there's going to be multiple choice answers for you to do, okay? So let's check this out. It's radically simple, okay? How it works. So all you gotta do is sign up, and the consumers also sign up to share their opinion. So they're talking about the businesses here about sign up, okay? And then brands send questions, multimedia content, or promotional offers to specific consumers based on their demographics, location, and other profiling information. Respond. Consumers, so that's you, consumers, receive brands messages and respond in real time and then get paid instantly. Okay, so this is the part that is really cool, that you are going to get paid instantly into your PayPal account, guys. Okay, so that is a very cool feature. And then the brands take that information and they do their analysis and whatnot. Okay, so if you want to do this for you, you're going to go get paid to share your opinions. Then you get to this page. Companies need to know now. So look at this example. Where do you get your morning coffee? So there's 5 choices, and then you just pick one and then submit. That's it. And then you're going to get 25 cents to your PayPal account. You see? Congrats. You've just been paid 25 cents via PayPal, just like that, because you answered the question. Okay? So there is nothing to it, guys. Okay? And there's already over 1 million people using this app. That is very cool. And actually, I have pulled up their reviews, so let's check it out. So I really do like going through their reviews just to make sure this is legit and to show you guys that other people are using it, and so that you have some proof that it is a good thing to use. Okay, so let's check this out. So first of all, it is over 4 stars, and there's over 22,000 people reviewing it. That means there's tons and tons of people downloading it. Okay, so I'm just gonna look at the description here. Look, 1Q pays you, or a charity you choose, an instant 25 cents every time you answer a simple question. Seriously, it's that simple. Companies ask, you get paid instantly to your PayPal account. We call them askverts. So if you don't have PayPal account, that's okay, because you could either set one up, and if you don't have access to PayPal, then you're out of luck, and the other choice is just donate it to charities. Okay, so if you just want to do this for fun, then you could donate for charities, but if you actually want to make some money, then you need to have PayPal for access. Okay, so you see, they're saying that these questions only take 5 to 10 or even 30 seconds of your time. So but majority is going to be the shorter ones, because you're looking at literally one question at a time and just looking at the multiple choice answers. Okay, so how it works: companies all over the world are interested in your opinion or in simply sending you an offer based on who you are and where you are. And our revolutionary system allows them to send those questions or offers directly to you. The more we know about you, the more questions you will get and the more money you or the charity of your choice will make. This is the section you need to pay attention to because you need to make sure that you are allowing them to access where you are located, because if they don't know where you're located, you will not get questions. So this drastically increases your chance of getting questions, okay? So you need to make sure they know where you are. Of course, you can stop at any time, but why would you? At 25 cents for 10 seconds of your time, the more the merrier, we say. So, but you gotta be quick because once they send the questions, it's only for a limited time. So you have to respond by the time or else it's closed and then you're lost. You're out of luck. So it's a 4.4 rating, which is very good. And if you go down to look at the reviews, there are a lot of 5-star reviews, 4 and 5-star reviews, and not as many 1-star. If you go through these. So there's been over 500,000 downloads already, and it's updated very recently. On the iTunes store, it is rated same with just a little less, but still over 10,000 people reviewing it. That means it's a very good app, guys. If both phone users are liking this, so. And you literally are getting paid instantly to PayPal. So this is a very good option for you guys, okay? For anyone who wants to do this. This is going to be the same description down here. So I just want to let you know that on Apple Store, it's still very good rated. And people really like this app, guys, okay? But I just want to let you know that I do not use this app, because sometimes people ask me for a payment proof, and no, I'm not gonna give you payment proof on this because I don't use it. And why I still show you is because it's still a way for you to make money online, and a lot of people like to have these little simple apps to make money with, and I'm not going to stop them if that's what they like. So I like to inform people of different ways to make money online, because seriously, there are so many ways to make money online. But the way I make money online, I don't use these little apps because I want to go for big money, okay? If you want to go for big money, check out this link right here and you can earn bigger money than 25 cents every 10 seconds, okay? So the only downside to an app like that is that you may not always get the questions, okay? I don't know how often you're going to get questions, so maybe read some of the reviews and see why that this app is not the greatest. But you can obviously make money because a lot of people in those comments are making money. So I hope you make some money. I hope you make your first dollar online with this app. Okay, guys, so if you want to make much bigger money and even build an online business where you can make passive online income and make a full-time online income, check out this link right here, okay, guys? That's how I make money online, and I hope you will follow my footsteps, and I hope I can help you in the near future, okay, guys? So if you like this video, guys, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online, guys, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next videos come up. I come up with videos every single week, guys, so I hope you learn with me. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.